I want to talk briefly about spinal control and muscle balance. When we look at the spine is inherently a stack of blocks. So I've got a stack of blocks here to represent the different spinal segments. And when they are in the spine, there is the amount of control based on the tissues around them, the ligaments and the soft tissues that stabilize the spine, as well as some of the muscles. And I want to do this demonstration to demonstrate and show how various combinations of muscle strength, muscle balance between muscle groups are going to control the spine and the stability of the spine. So if we have a group of blocks to represent the spine, obviously it's very unstable. The blocks are not going to remain upright. If I try to move them or bend them, they might move as a unit, but I cannot get individual motions without them buckling and collapsing. If we look at a more realistic version, we can look at the spine as having segmental control. So the little TheraBand pieces here represent some of the deep spinal muscles and ligaments to provide some spinal control. So if you look now, I can move the spine in various directions and I get very good control of the spine when we have these segmental muscles and ligaments to control things. So we look at the spine as being controlled both locally with these small muscles and small ligaments, as well as large muscle groups, which are going to control the orientation of the spine. So if we have now the yellow TheraBand representing some of the large global muscles of the spine that control orientation of the spine, you can see that as we move the different large muscle groups here represented by the yellow TheraBand, we get some nice movement of the spine because there's nice balance between the local muscles here and the large global muscles. So that's what we're striving for when we look at spinal control, is balance between local and global muscles.